Hello everybody, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to undo delete for me messages on WhatsApp that you may accidentally deleted. To do this, first open your WhatsApp application and go to any of your contacts and send a message. Here I have sent a message. Now I need to delete and check what happens. Here I need to select this option, delete for me, and you can undo this in next 5 seconds. Here you can see my message is not deleted, it is restored. We can check it again. Click on delete and select delete for me. Here within 5 seconds you just need to click on undo and your message will be restored. If you don't click undo in 5 seconds, you cannot restore your message. Here after 5 seconds it will be disappeared, you can see. So this is a very simple process. Thanks for watching this video. That's all for today. Please subscribe my channel.